Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Big news just landed in the drone world. Fresh leaks have given us our very first glimpse of the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks to images and insider details shared by trusted source Jasper Ellens via Drone XL, we now have an exciting preview of what could be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet. From design changes to new features, pricing hints, and a potential release window, we're diving into everything you need to know. Bold new design, gimbal and sensor evolution, eye away. Leaked images showcase a noticeable shift in design. The front gimbal setup has been completely reworked, now supporting a 1-inch image sensor, a major leap forward for low-light performance and high-resolution photography. Alongside the main camera, dual LiDAR sensors are visible, which could enhance obstacle avoidance or deliver smarter subject tracking. This redesign signals DJI's intention to bring truly professional imaging into the sub-250G class without sacrificing portability. Upgraded propulsion, motors, and quick-release props moving to the propulsion system. The motors appear with a darker matte finish and now support quick-release propellers. This means faster swaps, less downtime, and easier packing, perfect for those chasing fast-moving subjects or golden hour light. Small changes like this make a big difference for photographers and videographers working in the field. Under the hood, power port and CO category compliance, the underside of the drone reveals even more surprises. A dedicated power lead port similar to DJI's larger Mavic and Air models makes its debut on the Mini series. This could allow on-the-go charging from power banks or other external sources, adding real versatility for extended shoots. Importantly, the drone still appears to remain under the CO classification, meaning no registration is required in most regions, a huge plus for hobbyists and frequent travelers. Modular, safety, removable ducted propeller guards, another clever addition is the set of removable ducted propeller guards. They resemble the guards from the Mini Flip, but offer the flexibility to be detached when speed and aerodynamics take priority. Keep them on for indoor or safety-critical flights, remove them for maximum agility. DJI seems to be targeting both cautious beginners and performance-driven pros with this choice. Spontaneous capture, quick launch side button, perhaps the most intriguing leak is the presence of a new side-mounted quick launch button. According to the leak, pressing it automatically powers up the drone and starts capturing quick shots without needing to connect the controller. This feature, inspired by DJI's Neo and Flip models, could completely change how creators capture in-the-moment aerial footage. Imagine walking through a scenic location, pressing one button, and having your drone lift off to film cinematic shots in seconds. Price and release window rumors suggest that the Fly More combo with RC2 controller will retail for around USD $1,200. While this positions the Mini 5 Pro in a premium bracket, the combination of upgraded imaging, modular safety features, and spontaneous capture tools could make it well worth the investment for serious aerial creators. Current whispers point to a September 2026 launch. Although regional availability might vary, why the Mini 5 Pro could redefine ultralight drones professional grade? Imaging in a body under 250 grams, quick-release propellers for minimal downtime, external power support for longer shooting sessions, modular propeller guards balancing safety and performance, one-button quick launch for instant aerial creativity. CO weight category compliance for easy legal operation in most countries. Final verdict: if the leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could become the most versatile and capable sub-250G drone we've seen to date. Combining portability, professional imaging, and user-friendly innovations, it has the potential to win over both travel vloggers and seasoned aerial filmmakers. The ability to capture cinematic footage on demand without worrying about registration or carrying bulky gear. It's a game-changer. Keep your eyes on technology in the future. We'll be following every new leak and update to keep you ahead of the curve on DJI's next big move.